Hello everyone, this is my oral presentation English Level 2. First, introduce myself. 2. Tell about my trip experience in San Andres Island. 3. The wonder in San Andres. And to finish, recommendation if you go to San Andres Island. First, this is me. I am Adriana Gomez. I was born and live in Bogota City. I live with my boyfriend Rolando and with my cat called Pola. Now I am at the Environmental Engineering program at UNAD Bogota. I like to go at ecological walks, watch movies in my house, listen my favorite music, and spend time with my family. Let's continue with my experience in San Andres Island. Last vacation I went to San Andres Island. I stayed there for 3 days and went with my boyfriend. I like it because it's what cheap. I just pay $1,500 all inclusive. I like it because there were a lot of places to visit. For example, I went to the aquarium and I like it. It's a lot. I come back the same week because I started working the next Tuesday. The water in San Andres Island is warm and sunny. The beach is breezy and beautiful. Some days it is cloudy and rainy. Now I want to give some tips if you to go to San Andres Island. 1. When this is sunny, this is important the people use sunblock lotion. 2. This is recommended that you wear summer clothes, sunglasses, sandals, and hat or cap. 3. It is better that you feel the sun and water on your feet. 4. It's a good idea that you see the sunrise this beach. It is very cool. 7. This is a good idea that you ride off the mangrove. 6. This is advisable that you trip in boat with glass base to see the marine animals. 7. This is essential that you attend a musical show. This is very good. And to finish, this is important that you eat typical dish, such as rondon and lobster. What the people should do? The people should go to beach, the aquarium sky, and should dive or snorkel. What the people should don't do? The people should don't cast waves in the sea and should break seashell nor corals deep. Okay, this is all. Thanks for your attention. Goodbye.